Hello everyone, today is a very important thing we are going to speak about that. Today is ceramic work. So if you want to know about that knowledge, you have to follow this.
After we finish this all waterproofing, as we see, we will tell you about all waterproofing in the future. We start to apply ceramic.
So guys, we use this black sand and cement. We use three bags of black sand in one cement. Cement bag is 50 kg. In the Gulf, we use this black sand here like this. Now I will show you how to get level before the ceramic. Here ground level to this level 1 meter we take. Again we use this water level. As you see, we use this water level from here to here. We use this here 1 meter. So he gives 1 meter level to this ceramic tile.
1 cm down.
1 cm down. This level. This level machine, like ceramic piece, gives this level.
After he fixes this cut piece ceramic, he should to make arrange all level like this, like we see. And this bathroom have 2 levels. This area, this here bathtub area, but no bathtub. We will fix it here glass. We will fix here glass partition. After we fix it glass partition, we will show you. Okay, we will show you how we apply plaster. Yes, like this.
Now he's fixing the ceramic. So he apply, it's called geru. So in the Gulf we take care about that ceramic. When the tile is coming, the cut piece, that is a big issue. So we have to take care. And the main thing, before we check the dimension of this is the actual kitchen area, so we have to take care about dimension. Before the ceramic fixing, we use to have 48 hours this ceramic in the water, because the ceramic absorbs the water and it gets strong.
Between tiles, he should to put to fix this cross. To arrange the size, the groove between all ceramic. We show you how we make this narrow. This used to fix the ceramic after we arrange the level. After we complete it, we will show you now. After we completion all ceramic tiles in the flooring, we see all the alignment is good. All lines is very nice. All leveling is very nice. We should take care about this and clean all groove like this and fill it by what approved material like grout.
After all work of ceramic, we have to fix this. We have to check the cleaning and floor design. And this is the bathroom area. So we give here 2 different slopes. Here is the 1 cm slope and here is the another slope. So if you want construction knowledge, please subscribe this channel, Engineer Abu Samra's channel, and follow us for more construction knowledge.